So, welcome to video 4 of the Tabla Repair video series. We've got this far. The tabla is not tuned yet. Everything is looking nice and tidy. The ring is sitting very nicely and the skin is sitting very nicely. So now the next step is to get a sound going. So we need more tension basically. So Ulrich is going to help me, and he's going to do the hard work and go around a few times and put in more strength now to get some tension and a sound. So we're going to start listening. Not the first round or the second round after this, but maybe on the third round, high tension and a lot of sweat and hopefully no blood and no tears, but it's a hard job from here on. Okay, Ulrich?
I'll continue doing this.
Yeah, you can definitely use that hook. So now we're just going to take get tight. One thing you have to remember here, Ulrich, is that you have to apply the same tension to all
around.
Not very strong here and less strong here, but try and keep the tension equal.
Yeah.
That's a very important part. Okay.
There's already some difference there.
Yeah. So where are you starting?
Here, on the knot.
You start. Yeah, we start again on the first position where the knot is. Okay.
So same as before. Just gonna pull it with my feet.
Let me just check. Okay, just keep going around. Just go around like quickly and then we'll see how it sounds.
It does go
So
way faster.
it goes fast, yeah. So I repeat again that when we do this process, we take our time. We're not going to go high tension immediately. We're going to build it up really slowly, and in that way we can ensure a more balanced skin.
I'd rather go around 5 times instead of 3.
Well, yeah. Just listen. Yeah. It's getting tighter. Almost there.
That's the last one.
That's the last one. You see what you see? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's harder to. It's not so easy to use the hook.
The last strap is very difficult because it's not attached to anything, so it's very difficult to get some strength on it. But
let's see.
okay, so let's listen what we got. Well, it's definitely getting tighter, so that's good. And now we're going to repeat that process, maybe once or twice. So we'll get back to you in a moment. just to get back for a moment, we just started doing the round, and I can see that already this side is, one side is going more down and the other side is more up. So we're losing a bit of flatness there. It's starting to get a little slanted. So it's still loose and we're still in time. That's the advantage of going slowly. But we can compensate that. So we're going to take the high part and we're going to do a little bit of pulling there just to get that edge down a little bit more. So let's start here to the end. Okay? Is that
From
a good
here
one?
to the end.
Yeah. Or maybe here.
Yeah.
So we're just going to take the last section, which is high, and just put a little bit extra. Just take the slack. That will help enormously.
So you're looking better.
Is that the last piece?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just check it. Yes, that's much better. Okay, so we will continue. It's solved. So we've gone around again, and now we're getting really tight. So we have to check the bottom. This is looking really good already, you see. If you do it at an earlier stage, then it stays good. And yeah, it's looking very nice on the top as well. We have a slight rising here, but that will go away. That's not gonna, see, when the hand is being, when you're playing, you don't want this edge to be up higher than the skin itself. So we need to have this, the edge lower than the skin. It's not always possible, but we try for that. And we can start to hear a sound. Now the sound should be the same all the way around if we're in balance. That's sounding pretty good. But we've got a long way to go. We've still got here, we've got a rise in the outer shanti kinar. The skin here is not tight yet, so that has to go down. So we will continue this episode with another couple of rounds. Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay, so we've come to this. We're starting to get a sound now, and now we can finish this video, and we will continue in the next video, and we will be using the tone to help us with the tension. So we try to get the same tone around as we go along. But that will be all explained in the next video. Thank you.